Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today you are looking exercise 6.1, that first question. So first question, that first part, what is this? Write opposite the following. Opposite means you know that opposite. A part, that is increase in weight. Increase in weight. So what will be that? This will be solution. Decrease. Increase on the place of decrease. Decrease in weight. In weight. Right? Decrease in weight. B part, that is 30 kilometer north. 30 kilometer north. So 30 kilometer in south. 30 kilometer in south. C part, this is 80 meter east. 80 meter east. So that will be 80 meter west. Right? D part, loss of rupees 700. Loss of rupees 700. So this will be gain. Gain of rupees 700. E part, this is 100 meter above sea level. 100 meter above sea level. So 100 meter below in sea level. Right? It means we have done here opposite. Increase means decrease, north means south, east means west, gain loss means profit, above means below. Right? Second question, A part, represent the following number as integers with appropriate sign. Appropriate sign. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. 2000 meter above the ground. So 2000 we are doing here like this. By the sign we will do solution plus 2000. Means above means plus, below means minus. B part, that is a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. 800 meter below in sea level. Below means minus 800. Right? C part, a deposit of rupees 200. A deposit of rupees 200. Deposit means we are giving, deposit means, it means you know that we are fixing our amount in our account. So deposit means plus 200. D part, solution, withdraw of rupees 700. Withdraw means minus 700. Now the third question, represent the following number on number line. Third question, represent the A plus 5. Represent the following number on a number line. So that will be solution So this is the 5. So this will be answer. B part, that will be minus 10. Minus 10. So that will be 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So this will be answer. C question, that is plus 8. Plus 8. It means, see that after the 0, these are in plus, and before the 0, these are in minus. It means we can say also like this: left, right of 0, these are in plus, left of 0, these are in minus. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is this one. D part. What is D part? Represent these. Oh, sorry. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So this is our answer. E part. E part, minus 6. One, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 7. So this is our answer. By arrow we have show here. Fourth question. Adjoining the figure of vertical number line, represent integer, observe it and locate the following point. A, B, C, D, E part is there. Third question. Sorry, this is the fourth question. And one of the diagram is there given. Right? 0 in center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And above the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this is the plus 8. This is the D. This C, B. 1, 2. This is the A. And then after leave 1, B, C. And then this is the H. And then at the last this is the E, leave 1, that G, H, sorry, F, leave 1 more, this is the G. Now the A part. A part is saying, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? Which point is minus 8? It means this is the 0. Above the 0, these are in plus. Below the 0, these are in minus. So this is the plus 8. So which is the minus 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be minus, F part, F. B, what is B? Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? See that G, yeah, negative integer. Negative. Right? C part. You are looking negative. That is G is, this is below the zero. These are the negative, or above the zero. These are in positive. Write integer for B and E. B and E. That B, what? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. B and E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. E minus 10, because E below the 0. D question. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Minus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? That means minus 10 is given there. And then arrange all the pointer in decreasing order of value. Decreasing of value, so that is D, then C, then B, A, H, G, F, E. Decreasing means up to down. Decreasing means up to down. Write it. Again see that decreasing means up to down. Or here you can write the or E on the place. Now the question number 5. Question number 5. There is given the some blanks, and then how you will be do this blank. See that. And the question is also given that following in the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Place Siachen, temperature 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Simla 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. Srinagar 5 degree below 0 degree Celsius. And blanks also given. Write the temperature of these places in the following of integer in blank column. So that A part blank column. Below means minus 10 degree Celsius. Below means minus 2 degree Celsius. Above means plus 30 degree Celsius. Above means plus 20 degree Celsius. Srinagar below minus 5 degree Celsius. These things you will be write in the blank column. Question number B. Follow the number line, represent the temperature in degree Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. So, Siachen, this is the line you can draw in your notebook, that line, and this numbers also you can write. So, on the place of minus 10 degree Celsius, this will be minus 10. This is the Siachen. Siachen. And then 2 degrees Celsius, this is the small line, this will be Shimla. And then 30 degree, this will be 30 degrees Celsius, this will be Ahmedabad. And then 20 degree, so that will be 20 degree Delhi. Then Srinagar -5, so here will become approx, here will become -5, this will be Srinagar, right? Oh sorry, Delhi will become here, just wait, 20 Delhi. Now the C part, this is the B. C part, which is the coldest place? Siachen. D part, write the name of the place where temperature above 10 degrees Celsius, above 10 degree, these two above 10 degree. So Delhi and Ahmedabad. Now question number 6, in each of the following pair, which number is the right of the other of the number line? A 2 9, so 9 will become, it means greater number will become in the right side or smaller number will come in the left side. B part, -3 -8, so greater number is -3, so that will be -3. C part, is 0 -1, so 0 is greater than -1, so that will be 0. Now see D part, -11 10, 10 is greater than -1, so 10 will become in right side. E part, -6 6, so 6 is greater than -6, so 6 will come in right side. F part, 1 -10, 100, so 1 is greater than -100, so 1 will come in right side. Next question number 7, that is write all the integer between the given pair, write them in increasing order. Increasing order means smallest first. A part, 0 and -7, so integers that will become -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. These are in increasing order, and 0 and -7, these number is between them. B part, -4 4 and 4, so that will become -3, -2, 1 0 1 2 3, right? This also in increasing order. C part 8 minus 15, minus 8 and minus 15. So minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. D part. It means these numbers we will not write. Between them we will write the numbers. D part 30 minus 23, minus 30 and minus 23. So that will be minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24. Eighth question, A part. A part, write 4 negative integer greater than minus 20. Greater than. So, greater than means minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16. These are greater than minus 20. B part. B part, write 4 integer less than minus 10. Less than minus 10. Less than means minus 11, minus how many? 4. Minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. Ninth question, that is a true false. A, for the following statement write true for D, false, F for false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. A part. A, minus 8 is to the right of minus 10. Yes, true. B part, minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. No, that is false. C part, smallest negative integer is minus 1. No, false. D part, minus 26 is greater than minus 25. No, false. Minus 26 is not greater than minus 25. And then last question, 10th question. Draw a number line and answer the following. We can draw here a number line. Solution A. First of all, we write the number line. Draw the number line. Minus 13 प्लस में कितना है 5 5. We need to more lengthy line. Okay, 6 5 4 3 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 9 minus 10 minus 11 minus 12 minus 13. So A part. A part, which number will be reach if we move 4 number to right of minus 2. अगर हम minus 2 से if we will move from minus 2 if we will move from minus to 4 step, 1 2 3 4 step, so what will be the answer? 2, that is 2. B part, which number will we reach if we move 5 number to the left of 1? If we will move from 1 left side, so 5 step, 1 2 3 4 5 step, that will be minus 4. C part, if we are at minus 8, if we are at minus 8 on number line, in which direction we should we move to reach minus 13? Which side? Left side. Left side. D part, if we are at minus 6, on which number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? So that is right side. Right. Right side, okay?